Welcome, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus, and today I will show you how you can scan your fingerprint when the screen is completely turned off. So I'm talking about this situation. So right now, as you can see, I cannot scan my fingerprint, right? I have to click and then I can scan. But if you want to get it immediately, let's go for the settings. Next you have to find the biometrics and the security, and then go for the fingerprints, input your current log method, and then focus on this option, fingerprint always on. So tap right here, and I can also recommend you to tap the show icon when screen is off. Let's get this icon always on. So right now just lock device, and as you can see we have to put finger right here, and it's unlocked, right? We don't have to get this. We don't have to get this screen. We can already make it from here when we put finger on the scanner. So as you can see, it was very simple, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.